Hello everyone, and welcome. Today's session is all about the Adobe AEM Content Transfer Tool, or CTT. This tool is crucial for organizations moving from AEM on-prem or Adobe Managed Services to AEM as a cloud service. We'll explore what it does, how it works, and how you can leverage it to accelerate your cloud migration efforts. We'll begin with an overview of CTT, followed by its architecture and the different phases involved. Then we'll cover prerequisites and setup, how to use the tool, key features, best practices, and managing migration sets. We'll also highlight when to use CTT and wrap up with useful resources. CTT is Adobe's official solution for migrating content repositories from AEM 6.3 or later to AEM Cloud Service. It handles pages, assets, groups, and ACLs, and it works in tandem with the Cloud Acceleration Manager. Adobe highly recommends using it for reliable, large-scale migrations. The tool operates in two major phases: extraction and ingestion. Extraction copies your content and binary data into a cloud-based staging area, while ingestion pulls that content into the cloud author or publish environment. The tool provides a visual UI to monitor progress, logs, and errors. Before you begin, your source AEM instance must be version 6.3 or above, running Java 8 or higher. Make sure your repo is within Adobe's size limits and allocate enough disk space, about 1.5 times your repo size. You'll also need proper admin permissions and should validate your index and versioning configurations. You can download CTT from Adobe's software distribution portal. Installation involves uploading a package via AEM's package manager. Once installed, a new content migration tile appears in the tool's menu. Adobe also deploys server-side libraries on the cloud side to support ingestion. To begin a migration, you'll create a migration set. You'll enter the paths you want to include or exclude, whether to include version history, and select your staging region. You'll also input your CAM extraction key. CSV imports make bulk path management easier, especially in larger repos. CTT supports full and differential extractions. Full extractions copy everything you specify. Differential or top-up extractions only transfer content that has changed since your last run. This speeds up delta migrations during final cutovers. After extraction, you initiate ingestion into your cloud author or publish environment. You can choose to wipe the destination first or just apply top-ups. The tool provides logs, status tracking, and detailed validation reports to verify success. Each CAM project can support up to 10 active migration sets. These sets expire after around 45 days of inactivity. CAM will show warnings when they near expiration. You can keep a set active by performing an operation or updating its metadata. CTT automates difficult content migration tasks. It handles user and group ACLs, provides pre-copy acceleration for binary data, supports pause/resume, and logs every action. Differential top-ups minimize downtime, and the tool is designed for reliability and scale. Before migrating, run revision cleanups and consistency checks on your source. Wipe ingestion is faster and better for early phases. Top-up is great for final moves. Use a staging region close to your cloud environment, and double-check all versioning and path configurations. Use CTT anytime you're moving from AEM 6.3+ to AEM Cloud Service. It's especially helpful for complex migrations that include sites, assets, groups, and ACLs. It's tightly integrated with CAM and fits perfectly into Adobe's overall cloud migration toolkit. To summarize, CTT is a powerful, Adobe-supported tool that ensures your content migration is trackable, efficient, and low-risk. It's part of a broader suite including CAM and Cloud Manager. For more, check out Adobe's official documentation, setup guides, and best practices pages. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more AEM Cloud migration-specific content.